Good morning, Mr. Martin. Can you hear me? You're muted. Now calling case number 23S00425. This is the State of Michigan versus Eric Martin. Can I have appearances for the record, please?
Stephanie Cannon with Washtenaw Public Defender's Office on behalf of Mr. Martin, who is present, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Martin, can you please state your name for the record?
Capital E, lowercase R-I-C, capital M, lowercase A-R-T-I-N.
Eric Martin, a known sovereign citizen, makes yet another return to court. The video opens with commentary highlighting his long history of legal issues throughout Michigan. While many online creators have previously documented his courtroom antics, this particular hearing went largely unnoticed due to its brief duration. Despite its short length, the hearing delivers a striking glimpse into the courtroom dynamic. Martin now faces fresh charges stemming from a failure to appear. Magistrate Bray presides over the arraignment, setting the stage for yet another tense and awkward legal exchange.
Today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. What I am seeing is that you failed to appear for a court date on February 1st, and that you failed to appear for another court date on March 14th. Therefore, a bench warrant did issue for your arrest. Do you understand?
No, I do not understand, and I do not stand under the charges. I am one of the sovereign living people.
Okay, sir, I'm not asking you if you agree with me. I am asking if you understand the words that I just said to you.
Well, I do not understand. I may comprehend that I do not understand, and that I do not stand under the charges. And I am not a defendant. I am a living human sovereign. I'm not the legal fiction corporate entity, all capital letter name.
Attorney,
I do not accept an attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, he would stay on mute and ask for a PR bond.
Objection. You're not speaking.
The magistrate opens the hearing by verifying Eric Martin's identity. In response, Martin begins spelling his name with exaggerated emphasis on capitalization, asserting his status as a sovereign individual. He invokes familiar sovereign citizen rhetoric, attempting to dismiss the court's authority. Unmoved, the magistrate remains composed and continues with the procedural formalities. Martin argues that he is not a corporate entity, a common claim within sovereign citizen ideology, but the magistrate stays firmly in control. As the exchange continues, the tension in the courtroom steadily builds.
Turn your camera off.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Martin. At this time, I am seeing that your license has been revoked. You have failed to appear for court dates in front of Judge Washington. You were to have a sentencing hearing and a pretrial date in front of her, so that is what I am going to set you for now.
I need you to repeat to me again the case number of this case. I couldn't get it all when you said it the first time.
The case number is 23S00425.
23S 00
4.
Oh, hold on. 23S00, right?
Correct.
Okay, after that, what else?
4.
Okay.
2.
Yeah.
5.
Was that it?
Yes.
Yes, 00425. All right. That
Okay.
wasn't finished. Cut me off.
Okay.
I had more to say.
Sir, I am setting you for another. Yes, I am, because what I am doing today is arraigning you, and I am setting you for another court date in front of Judge Washington. That court date will be April 11th, 2024. That will be at 9 a.m. That will be for your pretrial and potential.
Martin is informed that a bench warrant for his arrest has been issued due to his failure to attend at 2 prior court dates, February 1st and March 14th. The magistrate inquires,
April
Yep,
11th,
yep,
9 a.m.
all right,
It is 9 in the morning.
okay. Got that, what else?
It will be over Zoom, like this hearing.
Right, okay, now. Okay, is that it for that? Okay, now. Let me ask, so does she call herself, is this a, separate charge?
I'm not
The failure
entirely
to-
sure what you're asking. So, what happened here was that a bench warrant was issued for your failure to appear. At this time, to guarantee your appearance at the court date on April 11th at 9 a.m., that warrant will continue.
Okay, that wasn't intentional, so that's why it's, baseless. It's baseless, and it shouldn't have been a warrant because.
Okay. Sir, you've got your next court date. That's April 11th at 9 a.m. The bench warrant is continued. This hearing is concluded, and you are free to sign out of Zoom.
So I have more to say. I'm not done saying what I have to say, pursuant to my First Amendment right. I have more to say here. That is,
during the arraignment, Martin's public defender requests a personal recognizance bond and states that Martin has chosen to remain silent. Martin immediately objects, declaring that the attorney does not represent him. He refuses legal terminology and rejects court authority, continuing to invoke sovereign citizen arguments. Unfazed, the magistrate thanks the attorney and excuses her from the Zoom session. Martin's objections are noted, but do not alter the proceedings. The magistrate informs Martin that his driver's license is revoked and that he failed to appear at both a sentencing hearing and a pretrial before Judge Washington. A new court date is scheduled. As Martin repeatedly interrupts, the magistrate remains composed, reiterating the hearing details and emphasizing the importance of his attendance. Despite Martin's claims of confusion, he continues engaging, questioning the case number and the warrant. The magistrate explains that the next hearing will also be held over Zoom on April 11th at 9 a.m. Martin attempts to argue about the warrant, calling it unfair and claiming he missed court unintentionally. The magistrate calmly concludes the session, restating the court date and advising Martin to sign off. Martin continues trying to speak, but the Zoom call is ended. The video concludes with commentary highlighting that the bench warrant remains active. If Martin has any encounters with law enforcement before April 11th, he risks immediate arrest. Viewers are encouraged to follow the case for updates and are reminded of the importance of attending scheduled court hearings and respecting legal procedures. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. If not, feel free to hit dislike. But don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss any of my content.